Dresses haul are my favorite, and that's why I am back again with another dress haul. And this time I bought very beautiful, stylish, and elegant dresses. All the dresses are from Meesho and all are under 500. So now let's just not talk anymore and let's start the haul. The first one is this red bodycon dress that I'm wearing. This dress is so stylish and elegant, and this neck part, this shoulder part is giving me so stylish look. I can wear it like one side off shoulder, or I can bring this part down. I can wear it like off shoulder both the hands. It's up to us. We can style it in our way. And I just love the dress. I can wear this dress in party for date night, and even Valentine's Day is coming so next month, so I can also wear this dress. And it's so beautiful and elegant. It's of like a fabric. It's very soft and comfortable. We have a slit cut on this one on one side, and it's making the dress look more stylish and elegant. It's very comfortable to wear also. It's a maxi length. The sizes available are from small to XL. I ordered small size, and you can see the small sizes fitting me very perfectly. I just loved it. And the price of this is 380, and with discount I got a 354. 354 is very perfect for this dress because the material is very good, the fabric is very good, and it's giving so stylish look, and I can wear it in different occasion. I got two more colors of this dress. One is dark green and one is black. You can choose your color also. So this dress is very pretty and elegant. The next dress that we have is this beautiful dress. This is a white dress, and we have beautiful flower red roses prints on the whole dress, on all over the dress. And the dress is giving me very much of a Pinteresty vibe also. I just love flower prints, and it's giving me so good Pinteresty vibe. I just loved it. And this is of Leica fabric. It's very soft and comfortable. The dress is very lightweight, and it's giving very good vibe also. It's sleeveless, and the neck is, you can say it like of a square neck type, and the straps are, we can adjust the straps. So that's very important thing. I just bought it to up because I don't like very deep neck dresses or tops. So we can adjust the neck, how much deep we want. That is a very good thing. And it's a maxi length. It's fit and flare, and you can say it's giving so good vibe. The sizes available are from extra small to extra large. I ordered extra small size, and it's perfectly fitting me. And the price of this is 354, and with discount I got it 326. 326 for this dress is so perfect. Fabric is so good. It's so beautiful and giving so good vibe, and I think it's perfect. The next one is this dress. This is of lavender color, and we have beautiful black color prints. One print I can understand is we have a butterfly, and more this, I think it's leaf or flower, something mixed type, some prints of black color. And the dress is giving me very peace Pinteresty vibe. This dress is also giving me very much of a Pinteresty vibe. I just love the color. It's giving me so calm vibe. So yeah, color, I just loved it. And the fabric is a Leica fabric, and this dress is also very lightweight. It's very soft and comfortable to wear. It's sleeveless. It's square neck, and this straps are also adjustable, so it's very good. We can adjust how much deep we want the neck. So that is very great thing. And the sizes available are from extra small to extra large. I am wearing extra small size, and you can see it's perfectly fitting me. It's fitting me. And the dress is like fit and flare type. And the price of this is 362, and with discount I got it 351. 351 for this dress is also perfect because the fabric is so good. It's so giving me so good vibe. And yeah, I love the dress. The next dress is this dress. This dress is white in color, and we have black prints. And here also I can't really understand what prints it is. It is same of like the lavender color dress, but it's in white in color, and it was in lavender color. And this dress is also giving me very stylish Pinteresty vibe, but it's also looking very stylish and elegant also. I can wear in parties, and in different occasion also. So I just love the dress. This is also like fit and flare, and it's sleeveless, it's a square neck, and the fabric is like a fabric, and yeah, it's same like the lavender color. It's very soft and comfortable, it's lightweight, and the size that I got is extra small, and the sizes available are from extra small to extra large. I got extra small size and it's perfectly fitting me. The price of this is 371, and with discount I got it 363. So 363 is also perfect. Like it's same like all the dresses prices are near to same, and it's perfect because here also the fabric is very good and comfortable to wear, and it's giving very stylish elegant look also. So I would say this is also very perfect. The next dress is this dress. This dress is little bit of same like the dress that I have shown just now. It's white in color and we have black prints, and the only difference is the sleeves and the neck, you can say. But the sleeves are very loose for me. Let me say you, the body is fitting me very perfectly. I got extra small size. The sizes that were available are from extra small to extra large. I got extra small size. The body is just so fitting me very perfectly, बट दिस स्लीव्स आर टू लूज फॉर मी. अगर थोड़ा सा भी लूज होता तो मैं समझती, क्योंकि येस माई हैंड्स आर वेरी स्किनी एंड वेरी थिन, तो वो मैं समझती. बट इतना लूज है कि लाइक आई रियली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि अगर बॉडी इतना परफेक्टली फिटिंग दे रहा है तो हैंड्स क्यों इतनी लूज दिया. सो this I didn't like it. It's of like a fabric, it's a maxil, and it's a bodycon dress, and it's white in color and we have black prints, and the dress is very beautiful. I really like the dress a lot. मैंने जब देखा था मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा था, and I don't know about the sleeves, ये बहुत खराब आया, तो I really can't keep this. It's giving me very uncomfortable vibe and bad vibe. It's not even looking stylish. Overall dress बहुत stylish था, but sleeves की वजह से I can't keep it. And the price of this is 375, and with discount I got it 362. अगर मैं प्राइस के अकॉर्डिंग सब कुछ फैब्रिक वगैरह बोलूँ तो फैब्रिक बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत स्टाइलिश वाइब भी दे रहा है, एंड इट्स लुकिंग वेरी एलिगेंट ऑल्सो. मटेरियल बहुत अच्छा है, इट्स कंफर्टेबल टू वेयर ऑल्सो. बट द स्लीव्स मेरे लिए बहुत लूज है. आई थिंक सो अगर आप एक साइज स्मॉल भी लोगे तो फिर बॉडी आई थिंक वेरी टाइट होगा, और अगर स्लीव्स को टाइट करने के लिए सोचोगे तो बॉडी बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि बॉडी इज परफेक्टली फिटिंग मी, बट हैंड्स बहुत ज़रा लूज है. आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट दिस ड्रेस कि ऐसा क्यों है. सो दिस वेरी ड्रेसेस दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम मीशो दिस टाइम. अगर आपको कोई भी ड्रेस अच्छा लगा, आई विल गिव द कोड्स इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम देयर. एंड अगर आपको हॉल वीडियोस पसंद है देन डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, बिकॉज आई विल बी कमिंग विद मोर एंड मोर हॉल वीडियोस. फॉर नाउ आई विल से बाय बाय, मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.